try a 6 degree instead of 5 degree. I think it's a little better. Oh no, I can try it.
That worked out yet, Russ?
We're getting there, I think.
I really didn't want to put that back there.
Yeah, it just didn't seem like it had much control over it. Like when you did it,
So when it went inverted, it was going to drop a little bit back.
I don't know.
So, see, it may need, see how much that elevator I've had to put in there to get on the trail? Well, that could be because the snow's heavy too. See what I'm saying? And what we could do is just keep sliding the battery back, and that would make it more responsive too. You think should be slide that back maybe a quarter of an inch and see? You think that would? Does it seem sluggish kind of on everything? But see, when we get this battery back, then we may need to take some of that uptrim out of it. When we get the uptrim, because see, when it's inverted, then it's got down elevated. See what I'm saying? Because there's so much uptrim in the right side up. I'll try it the next time. Have it, because I know moving it from here back about 3/16 of an inch helps out. So I'll move it back even more. And if it acts like it wants to climb real bad, why don't you go ahead and bring it down and we'll go ahead and take that uptrim out of it. Okay?
Did you build that airplane over there, Russ?
Yeah.
Looks good, Russ.
Thank you. Yeah, I think it's about ready to go.
That's it for that pack.